I've had the opportunity to make millions of dollars drop shipping on Shopify, and today I'm going to be going over a strategy that will cost you $0 to get started on your drop shipping career. Now, I think this is a really important and special method because I know that there's a lot of people out there who just don't have the few $1,000s that it normally would take to start a drop shipping store. So I know this video is going to get you on the right path to go out and start successfully creating income from anywhere in the world, because that's what a drop shipping store is about at the end of the day. So if you guys do like this video, make sure to smash that like button and leave a comment down below, because I'm going to be picking one of the commenters to win $500 in prize and gifts. So thanks for doing that. Now let's get into this week's value. Now, the most common ways to get started with dropshipping usually require a few $1,000s. And if you're asking why, it's simple, because we're going to be running paid advertisements. Paid advertisements cost money to run. So if you don't have a budget, obviously that won't do you any good. Now, does that mean that you're completely disqualified from starting a store? Absolutely not, because there's been methods that have been developed over the last year and a half, which have been really successful with people with low budgets. And actually, this is one of my favorite ways to start out a store right now, because it gives you proof of concept and it gets you income in the door before you have to spend any money up front. Now, let me be clear here. When I say no money, you're still gonna need about $30 to $50 to start this up, because there's a few variables that you simply can't control. Getting your domain name, which is about $14, and there's gonna be another $40 or so in fees. So just keep in mind, if I say no money, there's absolutely no way to do this properly with $0, but this is the closest that you can get to it. So the first step in this entire process starts with your product. You need to have a specific product for this strategy to even have a chance of working. It needs virality. Virality means something that will catch people's attention and be shared or spread around the internet rather easily. So I'm going to put on the screen a few different examples of products that have went viral. Now, all these products went viral for pretty much the same reason. People saw them, people loved them, and people shared them with their friends. And most of these products have one thing in common, which is they solve a problem. They save people's time, they take pain away for that person, or they have another specific function that makes this product get trending on any of these social media apps. Now, you might think it's rather difficult finding products that are trending like this, but there's a few different ways that I will go about this, and the easiest way to do this is using TikTok. So go on your phone on TikTok, and there's a few different hashtags that you can type in here. You can look at Amazon finds, TikTok made me buy it, and what you're going to be doing is you're going to be searching and you're going to be sorting through some of these most popular products on this list. But there's one thing that you're going to want to reference. We're looking for products that have went viral either way back in the past, meaning that it's been 6 months, a year, or even 2 years since these products went trending, because maybe they've died off and people have forgotten about them, or products that just went viral. So you want to hop on these trends as soon as they're coming out. Now, if you were to choose one or the other, I do recommend choosing products that are just going viral right now, because that gives you the opportunity to get in front of all the traffic on the internet already for this product. And you can actually develop a super sustainable brand if you do this correctly. So here's a great example. There's this product over here that I shared on my top 10 products last month, and this brand is called Flatty's Fire. So if you check this out, you see their TikTok has over 82,000 followers and 2.9 million likes. So that means that this product has gotten millions of views for no cost. And why this can be extremely lucrative is because these people who are viewing the product are actually going to their website and purchasing it. So check this product out, guys. It's a very simple humidifier that has this viral effect. Basically, it has these LED lights here that simulates a fire. Now, this company is using the exact strategy that I'm telling you guys to use to start for completely no cost. They found a product that catches people's attention and has that viral effect. And just for proof, I'll pop the AliExpress listing over here. Now, if we check the price, this this company's selling the product for a whopping $37.99. So compared to that price on AliExpress, you can see that there's a decent amount of profit. Now, keep in mind that they have 2.8 million likes. So let's just say 1 out of every 10,000 of those people end up buying this product. That means that they've made tens of thousands of dollars for completely no cost. Now, keep in mind, you're usually going to have a lot higher conversion ratio than one purchase for 10,000 likes. On some of my stores, I've seen that every 500 or every 1,000 likes, I'm seeing a product actually being purchased, and sometimes that number can be a lot higher. So this is the most vital part of this entire process, is having that viral product, because if you test this out with products that don't have a wow factor or products that have the potential to go viral, then it's just not going to work at the end of the day. So once you find your product, the other costs associated to using this method is actually ordering the product. Now, there's going to be a few different ways to order the product. Number one, you can order it directly off AliExpress, Alibaba, or if you can find the exact same model, you could try to order it off Amazon. Now, I know this method is free, but if the product's $20 and you can order it directly to you, this is where it becomes free, because once that product gets in your hand, you can do exactly what this brand Flatty Fire is doing, and using your phone and creating TikToks with this product. This is your way to get the product in front of customers for no cost. So if you're going out and doing this and using different viral content styles, what I've seen be really successful is using comedy, using testimonials, or using user-generated content of people talking about this product. Those are all very successful. I've seen testimonial or user-generated content do the best and have the highest conversion rate when you are creating these videos. But if you're creating comedy-based content to just get some likes on this product, that's definitely not something bad at the end of the day either. Now, is this strategy going to be a piece of cake? No, you're going to have to get used to recording TikToks, and you're going to have to get good at it at the end of the day, and you're going to need to know how to merchandise your product. So while I did say this method is free, it's definitely not easy. But here's the advantage of starting this method off with no cost. Once your TikToks start blowing up and you start seeing which TikToks are generating those sales, then you can do something called TikTok Spark Ads. Spark Ads are a really awesome way to bring more people to your company. Now, this costs money, but I'm not telling you to go out and do this right away. You do this once you start getting money in from those free TikToks and you start running ads to those posts that are already blowing up. Now, this is going to be perfect because you're going to keep bringing more traffic in, which is going to simulate that the TikTok's going viral. You're going to get tons of comments, and this is also going to help that TikTok get pushed out organically. All right, so let's summarize everything I went over and give you an action plan on how you can do this yourself. So first off, make sure you're choosing a viral product that follows the criteria that I mentioned to you guys before, and make sure that you're using a 14-day free trial on Shopify, which I'll leave my link down in the description for you guys to get started for no cost on getting your store off the ground. Next, get the product in your hand and do some market research, seeing all the TikToks for this product which have already went viral. Now, if it did already go viral, it's time to analyze why it went viral. This is a super crucial part that a lot of people fail to do, but if you do this successfully, then you're going to be able to rinse and repeat virality with your product. For example, check out this Everlock Co product on TikTok. They have the exact same content style, which is just this simple video that I'll post on the screen right here. And they're using it every single time they post a TikTok, and some of their TikToks are getting millions of views. TikTok virality is based off watch time, but there's a few different metrics and a few different factors that we can look at when we're analyzing these TikToks. For example, check out the captions they posted, see where it's recorded, see who's in the video, and what type of sounds they're using on these videos. Those will all be key metrics that you could look at so you can rinse and repeat the virality. Now, once you have a good idea on the content that you want to post, make sure you're diligent and you post often. I recommend posting at least 2 times a day, and try this out for at least 10 to 14 days with the product, because it might take a little bit of time for the product to go viral. But keep in mind, the input that goes into creating these TikToks is going to be a direct output to what you're going to receive on your store and whether you're going to get sales or not. So make sure you're putting in the time and you're putting putting in the effort, and more so, you're really analyzing the content that's went viral so you can go put your best foot forward when you're trying out any of these strategies. This is gonna be super important, guys. So I hope this video was super valuable and it's gonna get you on your way to starting a dropshipping store with very little budget. So if you guys did enjoy, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.